You're on.
I'm not. Look, you are bad with my one.
Who cares? What the fuck?
I'm trying to do slow motion, dude. Alright, hold on.
Hit it up. Hit it up.
It's recording now.
I'm getting tired. Today we have me, Felicia, and Krista Clary. What'd you say? Check her daddy. Okay, we're at Walmart over here in the tool section. You know, getting real active in Walmart. You don't know nothing about this. All the name brands, all the exclusive homeware. You know. Oh, Mom do. What are you getting here? Huh? Hey. Hey. Bye.
Get out!